Hello my dear 8th standard students. First chapter in science, natural resource. Natural resource continued. Last class we have seen water, soil and all. Now next is forest. Forest is a natural resource. See the points I have written. Forest are natural resources. They are renewable resources. Last class we have seen renewable and non-renewable resources. Fossil fuels like petrol, diesel, they are non-renewable. They cannot be replenished. Whereas these forests are renewable resources. They can be replenished. Third point is forest maintain water cycle. See, when there is thick forest on this earth, we get sufficient rainfall, and the pattern of rainfall will be perfect. So forests maintain water cycle. Fourth point, forest prevent soil erosion. Soil erosion means what? If the forest trees, what they do, they hold the soil firmly. Then the soil is firm. It means the soil is good quality. So forests prevent soil erosion. If forests are destroyed, what happens? The soil will become loose. This is called soil erosion. The trees will prevent soil erosion so that the soil quality will be good. Fifth point, we get timber from forest. See, from forest we get many uses. We get sufficient rainfall and we get wood. Timber means wood. We get wood. We can manufacture many furnitures from this timber. So we get timber from forest. Wild animals live in forest. See, in forest, wild animals live. So forest gives shelter to wild animals like tiger, lion, leopard. These are wild animals. They cannot live in cities. So they live in forest. So forest gives shelter to wild animals. Next, deforestation. Deforestation means what? Destroying forest is called deforestation. Today, due to more population and people are cutting trees and they are building houses. Technology has improved a lot. So they are cutting trees, destroying forest, and they are installing industries and factories. This is, on one side we are destroying the nature. So deforestation means you are destroying the forest. That is called deforestation. What are the results of this deforestation? Deforestation causes soil erosion. See, when you cut down many trees, the soil will lose its fertility. The soil becomes loose. That is called soil erosion. Next, second point is the pattern of rainfall has changed. It means the rainfall, we will not get rainfall in season wise. During rainy season, you may get heavy rain which may spoil the crops. Nowadays you are seeing. So this is the significance of or the consequences of deforestation. So ultimately what you understand, we have to grow more trees and save the forest. Then only we human beings and animals can live safely. Otherwise, if we are destroying the forest, wild animals will enter into the cities and they may kill human beings also. So deforestation must be prevented and we have to grow more trees and protect the forest. This is all about forest and deforestation. So forest is a natural resource. They are renewable resource. All these points you have to by heart. And in the next class we'll see another natural resource. Until then, goodbye.